Selamat pagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenankan, pada kesempatan ini saya mewakili kelompok penelitian dengan judul Implementasi Wireless Sensor Network Topologi STAR pada monitoring suhu badan dan detak jantung manusia. Saya sebagai ketua peneliti, perkenalkan nama saya Setia Budianto, serta anggota peneliti saya pertama Lukman Silalahi, yang kedua Fedi Silaban, yang ketiga Semet Kurniawan, yang keempat Fajar Rahayu, serta pada kesempatan ini kita melaksanakan penelitian kerjasama dengan pihak Universitas Nasional yang diwakili oleh ketua peneliti Dr. Ucuk Darussalam serta anggota peneliti Dr. Septi Andriana.
The first introduction. E-health, one of the implementation technology in the world of health. According to World Health Organization 2060, e-health use electronic equipment to manage health resource and maintain health. Broadly speaking, a health covers three main areas. The first for the delivery of health information for health professionals and user of health information using the internet and telecommunication equipment. The second, e-health utilize the development of information technology and e-commerce to improve health service. The third, e-health use e-commerce and e-business to manage the health system. Many research about health, one of which is monitoring heart rate and body temperature. Health is the most important asset in human life. Therefore, maintaining health is a top priority and serious attention is needed. The field of health science is developing very rapidly both in the term of medicine and other supporting scientific fields such as pharmacy, chemistry, biology, and so on. In previous research, monitoring heart rate and body temperature developed a device used Arduino board connected with a heart rate sensor, GSM, modem, and GPS. The heart rate sensor is mounted on the fingertips, hand performance, or on auric heart. The sensor detects a human heartbeat, which is then processed by Arduino so that it can be represented in the form of BPM, beat per minute. In the process, the examination of heart rate and body temperature in several hospitals still use a manual system, where our nurse must come to the patient room to see and record the patient heart rate and temperature. This system is less effective because it takes a lot of time. In this research, a wireless heart rate and human body temperature monitoring system was created. The heart is organ form of muscle conceived hollow with the base above and its peak below it tilted to the left. When the blood is pumped out of the heart in an artery known as a palpebral artery and pulse wave, and this pulse can also be felt in the place where artery is passed. For example, the radial artery in front of wrist and fingertips. When this situation, the volume of blood at the tip of the finger increases or clots. Then, conversely, when the heart does not pump blood, the volume of blood at the fingertips becomes smaller. Body temperature is a balance between heart production and expenditure from the body, which is measured in units of health called degrees. The temperature in question is the hot or cold of substance. Body temperature is the difference between the amount of heat produced by body process and the amount of heat lost the outside environment. Research monitor heart rate and body temperature using the WSN or wireless sensor network method. The use Node MCU 1.0 as a control module and wireless as communication between nodes. The wireless network used in this research is Wi-Fi network as a data taker SDS1AB20 temperature sensor and a heart rate sensor are needed, which will be displayed via the ThingSpeak web and smartphone. By applying star topology, MCU node technology, and ThingSpeak facilitate the performance the medical team to monitor, maintain, diagnose, and manage health data, especially in body temperature and human rate. The design of monitoring body temperature and heart rate in human with the application of ThingSpeak with WSN wireless sensor network method needs to pay attention to several things that must be considered, such as sensor on body temperature, sensor on heart rates, microcontrollers. How? The quality of service of the network at this certain distance within the range of Node MCU on the wireless sensor network is implemented. Parameters that must be considered in monitoring body temperature and heart rate in human with ThingSpeak application with WSN wireless sensor network system. Okay, the second research is research method. System prototype design method. The system design stage consists of four main stages, namely architectural design of the system monitoring the condition of body temperature in humans and monitoring the heartbeat frequency in humans. The second, design of the station node. The third, design of node coordinator. The fourth, design of the interface application through the smartphone application media and also website-based application interface. This is system prototype design method, Wi-Fi, monitoring center, this web ThingSpeak, coordinate node station 1, node 1, station node 2. Data acquisition. The data acquisition process carried out by MCU 1.0 node microcontroller, which is placed in each station node, namely station node 1 and station node 2. The data recorded by each sensor in the field in real time are acquired through MCU node 1.0 at each station node, at node station 1 and 2. The process of data acquisition by microcontroller, node MCU 1.0, is recording or collecting data in the form of human body temperature and heart rate frequency detected by heart rate sensor module and the pulse sensor module. This data then transmitted over the Wi-Fi network on the star topology directly to the coordinator node for further data processing. Data is then displayed through by the website and smartphone interface application. The system testing method. The testing method and analyzing system performance through a smartphone application interface connected to coordinator node are done through a monitoring center. In this study, the system warning limits are applied to the temperature and heart rate phenomena that change. Analyze and measurement are carried out through the heart rate module and body temperature, which is implemented in The pulse sensor module as a sensor that detected the heartbeat, and the DS1AP20 module as the sensor that detects body temperature with a normal heartbeat rate limit, which is between 60 bpm to 100 bpm. The beat disturbed heart rate, which is less than 60 bpm and more than 100 bpm, and normal body temperature, which is between 36 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Slamet Kurniawan. Saat ini saya ingin penelitian yang dimana saya rancang bangun monitoring suhu badan dan detak jantung pada manusia berbasis WSN, Wireless Sensor Network, menggunakan topologi STAR. eHealth merupakan salah satu implementasi teknologi dalam dunia kesehatan. Menurut WHO 2016, eHealth merupakan pemanfaatan peralatan elektronik untuk mengelola sumber daya kesehatan dan pemeliharaan kesehatan. Secara garis besar, eHealth mencakup 3 area utama, yaitu untuk menyampaikan informasi kesehatan untuk profesional kesehatan dan pemanfaatan informasi kesehatan menggunakan internet dan perangkat telekomunikasi. Kedua, eHealth memanfaatkan perkembangan teknologi informasi dan e-commerce untuk meningkatkan pelayanan kesehatan. Ketiga, eHealth menggunakan e-commerce dan e-business untuk manajemen sistem kesehatan. Penelitian ini bertujuan merancang, membangun, serta melakukan pengukuran dan analisa terhadap sistem monitoring yang terintegrasi melalui Wireless Sensor Network atau WSN dengan menerapkan topologi STAR, teknologi Node MCU 1.0, teknologi pulse sensor, teknologi sensor suhu DS18B20, teknologi ThingSpeak, guna mempermudah kinerja dari tim medis untuk memonitoring, menjaga, mendiagnosa, dan memanajemen data kesehatan, khusus dalam suhu tubuh dan detak jantung manusia. Sistem juga dapat diakses secara real-time melalui aplikasi antarmuka, website, dengan mengakses ThingSpeak atau smartphone. Sedikit saya akan jelaskan sensor suhu, yang dimana ini namanya sensor suhu DS18B20. Sensor temperatur DS18B20 merupakan sensor yang dibuat oleh Maxim Integrated. Sensor ini memiliki 3 pin, yaitu pin VCC, pin data, dan pin ground. Dalam penggunaan sensor DC18B20 menyediakan 9-12 bit dalam perhitungan suhu Celcius. Maka inilah sensor suhu yang akan kita gunakan sebagai mendeteksi suhu tubuh pada manusia. Oke, saya sedikit menjelaskan tentang pulse sensor, yang dimana pulse sensor ini berfungsi sebagai sensor detak jantung pada manusia. Pulse sensor merupakan sensor yang dipergunakan untuk mendeteksi frekuensi detak jantung. Pulse sensor memanfaatkan gelombang sinar infrared yang terpantul ke kulit menggunakan pulse sensor dengan menempelkan ke kulit manusia yang akan diukur. Jadi inilah sensor yang akan mendeteksi detak jantung pada manusia. Ini gambarnya. Ya, saat ini saya lagi monitoring dari 2 alat sensor saya, yang dimana di sini ada channel 1 ya, yang di sini channel 2. Nah, di sini masih data normal ya. Di sini di jam 20:43 itu keadaan masih suhu normal ya, belum ada pasien yang dimana sensor dibilang bisa terjadi. Ini juga bisa ngedeteksi sensor suhu pada ruangan, karena pada ruangan ini terjadi di 32 sampai ada yang 30 kedeteksinya. Nah, nanti kita akan simulasikan cara kerja alat yang dimana bagaimana sih cara kerjanya hasil penelitian saya atau alat yang saya buat ya. Nanti saya jelaskan satu persatu. Di kamar nomor 2 dia terganggu suhunya sampai di 41 derajat. Dari berbeda 2 menit dia suhunya itu naik turun, nggak stabil nih pasien. Ini perlu penanganan khusus untuk pasien seperti ini ya. Jadi dia dapat gangguan di sini, ketahuan nih karena ada suhunya masih tinggi ya. Nah, di sini nih, suhu pasien itu masih di 41 sampai 38. Maka kita bisa kontrol langsung ke pasien tersebut. Di jam 11.13 itu terjadi suhu panas itu sampai di 37, karena suhu tubuh manusia pada normal itu 36,5. Nah, ini terjadi kedetek nih di jam 11.13 di suhu 37. Di sini dia di report suhu normal di 34 untuk kamar nomor 1. Nah, saat ini pasien suhu badannya mulai menurun lagi di 34. Jadi ini ada kemungkinan pasien ini nih kena demam nih.
The third part of my paper, result and analyze. Station note, design implementation. Start, then note MCU, and then DAS1-8B20 and antenna. This is figure architectures of station nodes 1 and nodes 2. This is heartbeat frequency analysis and measurement time, heart rate in measure real time using the stethoscope, and every average heart rate using a pulse sensor BPM. This is analysis and measurement of response time and sensitivity of system performance detecting by the temperature. This is a result and analyze website-based application testing interface. View website interface application display, normal station node 2. This is website-based application testing interface. Visual website interface application display abnormal station 1. Application testing interface based on smartphone application. The visual display smartphone application interface abnormal station nodes 1 and nodes 2. Display warning. Okay, analyze of system testing result, comparison between body temperature measurement that are measured in real time using the thermometer and body temperature measurement using a DSI-1-AB20 sensor that will tell you how much is the error between the right measuring and measurements using DS1-8B20. Website-based interface application testing thingspeak.com is by the objective of the research where it is displayed in real time and drop the application of each smartphone application interface display warning information about the phenomenon that occur at station nodes. Okay, therefore, my paper is a conclusion. We have success in realizing a device for measuring body temperature and heart rate based on IoT. Both of these data were successfully sent and can be widely accessed via web page using thingspeak.com and smartphone application. From the results of tests that can carry out the frequency of heart rate is measured using an average stethoscope on object 1 and object 2 is 81.70 ppm, while the results of tests that we have been carried out heart rate frequency are measured using an average pulse sensor on object 1 and object 2 is 82.04 bpm for an average body temperature of 29.16 degrees Celsius. The success rate of the system in detecting heart rate is 97.17%, whereas in detecting body temperature, the success rate of the system is 99.28%. For data transmission, the system can send data smoothly and at a maximum distance of 15 meters with a barrier. Thank you for your attention. God bless you all. Thank you.